First of all, my lovely boyfriend's over here. Say hi, Matthew. So I went back to Sally's and I got a much brighter pink. This one is the Iroiro neon pink. I don't know how to say that name, but it's a neon pink. And we are probably just gonna put a little bit of conditioner in there and then apply the pink, and hopefully it'll be a much brighter pink this time. So we'll get to that now. I think I'm just going to try to just apply this straight on my head. It's very pink. Should I just go for it, y'all? Babe! What should I do? Should I dilute it with conditioner or should I just put this on? Huh? Dilute it with conditioner? That means it'll make it lighter. I should just use this? Okay. We're going with the right thing. It has a nice squeeze too, so I'm really just gonna start applying it to my hair.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll
So I'm gonna let this sit on for about an hour and then I will wash it out and be back. I just washed it out. You ready? Neon pink, like girl, it's that neon pink, girl. What's it try? I want to see what it looks like when it like completely dries, but I always wanted to do this color. I just did it. Wow, what's happening? You guys. Oh my gosh, look at my hair. This is like the next day and I washed out the pink and then I just styled it right now. Look at how pink it is. Like, this is no filter, this is nothing. This is just literally how it is. It's crazy. It is literally a neon pink. Like, when that package said neon pink, they were not kidding. Look at how pink it is everywhere. That is just wild. I feel like I have a wig on, but it's my hair. I've never ever had a crazy color like this before, so this is like crazy. I love it though. Like, it's so fun. I've always wanted to go pink and I'm like, We're still in quarantine. I'm still not at work, so let me just do it while I can. This is the final result. It is super neon pink. I absolutely love it. I literally feel like lava girl, like no joke, literally lava girl. And I love it. It is just crazy. Like literally when I woke up this morning, I was shocked by myself because I forgot I had this pink hair. I hope that this tutorial helped you guys and might have inspired you to go pink. You should do it while you're in quarantine, you know, just go for it. I'm really glad that I did this color because it's so like vibrant and bright and just what I love. I think that concludes our video. So thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Your support means everything to me. And thank you guys so much for coming along with this pink hair journey with me. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.